From wetlands and forests to dry steppes and grasslands, from micro-wonders to majestic love scenes, the Danube has created a unique world where life flourishes in a million ways. The centuries-old tradition and a vibrant history of living by the river have created a unique cultural pattern all along the Danubian floodplains and enable sustainable development in which people and nature have found the way to live in harmony. In UNESCO Biosphere Reserve Bačko, Podunavlje, the Amazon of Europe.